Okay, do you have the thing?
What thing? Yeah, I do.
Okay, okay, I do too.
Oh, is it going?
Yeah. Hey guys.
Guys, it's Kai Attack back at it again.
So we're at Target. There's this family coming, and they're just gonna watch me as I vlog in the street. We're at Target. We're getting stuff to make white chocolate Reeses, and what else are we getting? Corned beef tacos. And we're just gonna see how it goes. And Halloween pajama stuff.
Oh
Yeah. If all works in our favor, but
it's spoopy time.
spoopy time. Okay, bye. So it's Cabby here. That's Kyla. I'm Abby.
Together we're
Cabby.
Cabby.
And today, to suit Kyla's needs, because every time she comes over, we do things her way. We're gonna make. It was my idea.
She texted me and was like, "Can we make white?" Oh, I just gave it away. Hold on. Today we're making
White Chocolate Reeses. We didn't even get the ingredients out.
Oh wait, what I was saying was, she texted me and she was like, "Do you want to make white chocolate Reeses and film it?" And I was like, "Okay."
Yeah! No, she's like, yeah! That's how I pictured it. Okay, we're gonna make these.
So we're gonna clap, right? We're gonna clap and we're gonna be back and holding all the ingredients in our hands.
Okay.
Ready? Wow. Don't you love being magic?
You don't have powdered sugar.
Okay. So I asked Abby if they had powdered sugar here.
We
She said yes. They don't have powdered sugar.
So if you ever want to cook with me, don't.
I agree.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Hey! No, because it's just sugar but powdered.
Uh-huh.
It is. Oh my god, I'm a mess. Everything but the sugar. Okay, here's the cup sizes. You just find which one you need.
ASMR.
How do I ground? Oh my god, I'm a mess.
For you real peanut butter lovers out there, you can even put a little bit more in.
It burnt.
Shut up.
Oh my god, this smells so good. I somehow burned.
If I put... I can't feel the tube stirs with whatever this is on my shirt.
It smells right. Does it taste right? We did it.
We did it, y'all. That's so good.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wanna try
good.
some?
No. I'm not a big fan of peanut butter, you know this.
Wait, so who's eating this?
I am.
On and off.
We stan. This is our working station. It's really ugly. Just ignore everything that's going on here about that. No, it just doubles the batter.
Oh, you're so you're so right.
Yeah. Okay, so it's a. Should we rate it?
Rate it?
Yeah.
Of course.
So this already looks pretty. Like it looks like a regular Reese's.
Yeah. I don't know about that.
It looks like a regular Reese's. And ready?
Uh-huh.
I'm scared.
Me
Okay,
too.
and go. Mmm.
It's very thick.
Do you like it though?
Oh, okay, good.
Does it taste like your regular Reese's? My homemade?
It's a little thinner. I think so.
Well, keep in mind that you made the patties, so.
No, let me get the chocolate. Not that you like did anything.
Not that I like burn it.
Yeah. Mmm. Oh yeah. This is a lot.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can finish it. How many did we make? Like 30?
We made 18.
I don't know if I can finish it.
You have to. You don't have to. I don't know if I can finish it either. So that's it for today's video. Oh shoot. And if you like it, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below what other cabbie cooking videos you want to see, and make sure to follow us on our social media. It'll be down below.
Subscribe to my YouTube. It'll be in the description.
I don't know if I can finish this guy.
Me neither.
My stomach hurts so bad.
There's 16 more.
There's so many.